Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to the Curious Minds. Today, we're setting sail on a tropical adventure to crack open the case of the coconut. This familiar fruit is more than just a refreshing drink on a hot day. It's a global traveler, a culinary chameleon, and even a potential lifesaver. So grab your imaginary snorkel and get ready to dive deep into the fascinating world of the coconut. Island hopper, the coconut's mysterious journey. Coconuts are natural-born adventurers. Their tough outer shell allows them to float for long distances in salt water, earning them the nickname drift fruit. But how did these tropical treasures travel across vast oceans to reach far-flung islands? Scientists have some intriguing theories. Perhaps powerful ocean currents carried them on epic voyages. Others propose that seabirds, with their fondness for coconuts, might have inadvertently played a role in their global distribution. Imagine a bird enjoying a coconut snack on one island, then flying off with a piece stuck in its beak, accidentally planting a new coconut tree on a distant shore. Beyond the beach, unveiling the coconut's many uses. Coconuts are a gift that keeps on giving. We often associate them with refreshing coconut water, a natural electrolyte drink perfect for a hot day. But the treasures inside don't stop there. The white, fibrous flesh called copra can be enjoyed fresh, dried into copra for coconut oil production, or grated for use in countless culinary creations, from sweet treats to savory dishes. The hard outer husk, once cracked open, transforms into a valuable material. Skilled artisans can craft bowls, utensils, and even building materials from this sturdy shell. Coconut oil extracted from the copra is a multi-purpose wonder used in everything from cooking and hair care to biofuels. It seems there's truly no part of the coconut that goes to waste. Survival on a shell. The coconut's hidden potential. Imagine you're stranded on a deserted island. Fear not! The humble coconut can be your unexpected ally. The fibrous husk, when dried, can be used as tinder to start a fire. And remember that refreshing coconut water? It's not just delicious, it's a natural source of hydration and electrolytes, essential for survival in any situation. The hard shell can even be fashioned into makeshift tools or containers, making the coconut a true survivalist's friend. Fun facts about the coconuts. Did you know? Coconut champions, buckle up. A single coconut palm tree can produce up to 180 coconuts in a single harvest. That's a lot of refreshing drinks and delicious treats to share with friends and family. Sounds of surprise? Ever shaken a young coconut? You might hear a sloshing sound. That's the coconut water filling the cavity inside, acting like nature's built-in beverage container. Coconut crab connection. These giant crustaceans, aptly named coconut crabs, are the ultimate shell crackers. They're strong enough to crack open coconuts with their powerful claws, a true testament to the coconut's toughness. Cracking coconut myths. Separating fact from fiction. Myth. Coconuts grow on palm trees like apples or oranges. Fact. While coconut palms are tall and resemble trees, coconuts are technically a drupe, a fruit with a hard outer shell and a single seed inside. So the next time you see a coconut, you can think of it as a giant nut. Myth. Coconuts only grow on beaches. Fact. While coconut palms love the warm, humid climate of tropical regions and often thrive near beaches, they can also grow inland as long as they have sufficient warmth and rainfall. So you might find coconut trees in surprising places. The coconut is a true wonder of nature, offering a refreshing drink, delicious food, and even survival essentials. From its mysterious journey across oceans to its surprising versatility, the coconut continues to capture our curiosity. So, the next time you see a coconut, remember the incredible story it holds within its shell. The Curious Minds encourages you to explore the world's amazing plants and discover the many ways they are used in different cultures. Remember, there's always something new to learn about the natural world around us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting adventures with the Curious Minds. And if you have any questions about coconuts or anything else that sparks your curiosity, leave a comment down below.